Alright. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day 2023. I'm gonna do a video at the ceiling fans at my dad's house. Nothing has changed. Here's the first Hemingway. In my dad's room, we have the second Hemingway. This fan and the other Hemingway were original to the house. While they were here when I came in, and it was already this buzzy. Well, on high anyways. Listen. You hear that? It's crazy. Alright. Okay. Here's the Mystic. Still wobbles quite a bit. High.
Grindstones from the landing gear underneath. We have just what we need to put ourselves a mine cart up top. Ride around in our newfound biplane. Though ride around is a funny way of saying it. Really, it's just riding in place. But as the original time-lapse shows, even that looks pretty convincing after a while, especially when the clouds move in the background. Chandeliers are great, but expensive.
The pole chains are moving, as you can tell.
Sacrificing the look inside. With a couple of these cane vines, we can hang them off our roof and then clip the ends so that they stay just right where we want them. And there you go. Chandelier for a light source, and we did it all the time for great bank. It's central to those kind of
Alright. Here's the Anderson. This one is really loud on high. I'm only gonna do this. My brother is watching TV and he would not like the sound of it to disappear. So I'll only do this for a few seconds. Hear that? That was pretty loud, eh? Back up. Here. This one doesn't have any buzz. Has a little bit of a wobble. Just set that up to high. And I'll do this on high. Oh, now it's got quite a buzz to it. Can you guys hear that? Oh, God. The hum that it has is not very good. Just keep it low here. And here goes this thing on high. And there's my cat. Yeah, that's high. Alright, that's it.